Okay, so this is how to get the little joystick working with a mover light. So that thing, I don't know if that's what it's called. I'm new to all this stuff. I call it a mover light. With the Obey 70. This took me forever to figure out. The instructions, they may make sense to someone, they didn't make sense to me. But after trial and error, this is what I got. Sorry for using incorrect terms. So, you have to hit both these buttons at the same time, because you have to like reprogram, or I don't know if you want to call it reprogram, the mover. So, you hit both of these at the same time. And there you go. You want to get this channel thing. So, channel 15 lines up with this 15. Now, you have to hit turn on your fixture. Mine's on 4. I don't know if you want to call it turning on. But then you go to, let's say we want to do the X, so the back and forth, the right and left. So we go to 15, so this can be 0, 0, right? We want to take it to 15. Sorry, it's not super clear. And then we want to take this and leave it on 1, because 1 is the whatever that would move it right and left with not using the joystick. 3 is the up and down. So you'll see we'll do that on the next thing. So we've got 15, 1, the thing to move it right and left. And then I think you have to hit this mini add. You'll see the flash happen. Then you can get out of this. You hit these two again. Hit them again. And, well, there, I'm finally out of it. So now when I go back to my fixture, now I'm just in normal mode, and I go right and left, you'll see it go right and left. Okay, now we still have to do the up and down. So if you hit these two again, and you see the next spot we need is a 16, and the up and down is the 3 slider. So we go to 16, and I already had it on 3, but let's just say it was, well, now it won't get off 3. I don't know why. Oh, maybe I'm not, which is not good, because we want 16 to be assigned to channel 3. So you assign that. This moves that first number, the 16, so that's the speed time, and the fade time moves the second number. We want that on 3. Then we hit mini add, and we can close out of this. And now this should move that fixture up and down. Oh wait, gotta turn it on. Move it up and down. So now we got right, left, down, and up.